What's the meaning of bhajia? Bhajia. Bhajia.
Bhajia. Bhajia. Bhajia is a popular snack or street food in South Asia, particularly in India, Pakistan, and Kenya. It is made by deep-frying sliced vegetables, such as onion, potato, and spinach, that have been coated in a spicy gram flour batter. The word bhajia itself is derived from the Hindi word bhaji, which means fritter or vegetable pakora. Bhajias are commonly enjoyed as a quick and flavorful snack, often served with green chutney or tamarind sauce for dipping. They are also frequently served as an appetizer in Indian restaurants around the world. Bhajias are a delicious and crunchy way to enjoy vegetables and spice up your taste buds.